Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into this today. I am working with Divatress again. I told y'all I was not playing about this non-S hair. So far all I've done is wash the hair in some Shimmering Light shampoo. And that kind of took away the yellow tint so that we have a true platinum blonde here. A true 613. And today we are just going to try to do a bob. Since my last bob video, I have been in love with how bobs look on me, so I want to try to do a colored one. And as you guys know, I am in love with my little patch, so we're going to do a little patch with this today as well. Now, on Snapchat, I did show you guys some swatches, and I wanted to know if you guys liked the platinum blonde with the lime green, or if you liked the silver into the lime green. And just about everybody voted for the silver into the lime green, so that's what we're going to do today. Of course, we're going to be doing the watercolor method, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill these two up with some hot water. I'm not going to use boiling this time. I watched Armand's video and she didn't use boiling and it worked just fine, so I'm going to go ahead and just use hot tap water. Now, starting this off, I didn't do the smartest thing, which is make the wig first, but I didn't know if I was going to be, I actually didn't know if I was going to be dyeing it in this method, but I've decided to try because it's a lot quicker and a lot easier, and I don't have the time to be sitting here in this hot house dyeing each bundle little by little. So, the way I'm going to do this is try my damnedest to fit the entire wig into this thing so I can do the silver, and then just do the tips into this one so I can do the lime green. Now, this lime green is from Adore. It's a little more green than I want it, so I think I'm going to use the Kiss lime green, which is a little bit brighter, and I believe that's the one that Arnell used as well. So as per usual, I'm just going to add a little bit of the titanium dye, which is that silver dye, because I don't want this to be too gray. Actually, I don't want it to be as blue-gray as this. I think I want it a little bit lighter. And I learned last time that the particles do soak up. If you guys watched my last video, if not, I'll go ahead and link it below. And I'm going to dunk this from the top first. Hopefully this works. Dyeing the entire wig isn't really working out like I thought it would. It's not getting as coated as I thought it would. So the only thing I can think to do is to completely submerge the wig, like not do the little tip up the top. So I won't be doing... Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Like, it's too many pieces that are not dyed for my liking. I seriously don't understand like how other YouTubers do it, because my shit never turns out right. Like, I'll be finessing the hell out of stuff. Or maybe they just don't show that they don't do it right, but my shit literally never turns out right. So now we gotta finesse. Like, can you guys see that? Like, can you see that like some of it is platinum and some of it is like silver? It's not good. It's gonna look so whack. Silver wig is just not working out. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It looks like it just has dimension and highlights, but it's just not what I want. So I'm gonna try something. It might suck. Maybe it don't. I don't know. But let's try lime green instead. Like just a whole lime green wig. Let's dip the ends first. Oh, this is gonna turn out bad. What do you guys think? I think we should go for it. this may work out for me. Oh, look at my fingers. I dyed my nails green. I fucking dyed my nails green. They were pink. They were pink. Why do I not have on gloves? Like, we just look through here real quick. You see how we still have some blonde in there and some blonde in here. I'm kind of a little scared to dunk it again because I think it's gonna get darker. I don't know. I kept this part silver, as you guys can see, and that is for a reason. Don't judge me. We're gonna do something with that. All right, now y'all, I could leave this patch silver. Like, I could. There would be nothing wrong with that, and that would be like a contrasting patch. But what fun would that be, honestly? Like, I feel like in my channel, I have to do new things and I have to challenge myself. So, because we already done fucked up my nails, we're gonna try to do yellow for the patch. And cross your fingers because it probably does not turn out right. Again, I'm not wearing gloves. Don't ask me why, because I love to ruin my hands and nails. Okay, so let me tell y'all about this GD wig. I am beyond through with this wig. We've been through highs and lows. I was going to do some crazy shit like in my head. Y'all know when y'all see something in y'all head but it don't always work out like that? That was this. Like, I saw it in my head. I even did my little test strand. Y'all, I just knew this was going to turn out the way I saw it in my head. And then when it wasn't, I was like, well, neon highlighter hair is trending. I've seen it on my YouTube up and down. I even tried to make it different so I wasn't copying anyone, but the hair, y'all saw it yourself, the hair would not let me. The yellow patch that I had originally did just did not take. It was, sorry if I keep looking over at my monitor, you guys, but this hair really, I gotta make sure it looks good because it gave me, oh, I'm giving little Kim vibes, but this hair gave me the blues, y'all, like dyeing it. So let me tell you what happened. I didn't get to record it because I was so frustrated. Like, don't you know those kind of frustrations where you're about to flip the table? I was shaking the table. So basically what happened after I cut the camera off was I let the yellow dye sit in and it did not take at all. It looked like, I don't even know what I can like say, but when I rinsed it out, it just looked blonde, I guess. And then the green part looked grinchy green. Like, it looked off green. It wasn't highlighter green. And I was so confused because it looked highlighter green when we first dipped it, you guys saw, but it did not look like that after I washed the hair. So here's what I did, and I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I had to get this done. I basically still did the watercolor method, but I mixed the Kiss Green. I mixed 2 parts Kiss Green to 1 part of the electric green from Adore. Let me see if I have it. Alright you guys, so I did a whole bottle of this and half a bottle of this. So again, that's 2 parts to 1 part. I don't know why I said that. Whole bottle of Kiss, half a bottle of the electric green, and this is what we have. I still did the watercolor method. I just dumped the whole wig in and I let it sit for 10 minutes, pulled the bad boy out, and this is what she looked like. I let it dry overnight, blow dry. They cut it in a bob and plucked a little bit of the part. I do not have this glued to my head. It's not glued to my head. So, so, you know, it's just a band in the back. So if we get into a fight, she real. She moves. She moving. The hair, I never have a problem with this hair. So in my last tutorial when I did the watercolor unicorn wig, I told you guys I would be working with Divatress again with this 9S 613 hair. And the reason why is because I am absolutely blown away by the hair. It takes color like nobody's business. I don't know what happened when we was just dying and I wanted to turn silver, but like I said, it's probably because I made the wig and didn't dip the bundles individually. I'm still learning how to do this stuff, you guys, and people on YouTube be cutting out their fails, so I don't get to see what not to do. So that's the reason why I like to keep my fails in, you guys, so that you know what not to do. I know it's probably annoying, but at least it'll help you know not to do things your way. Like, I'm the kind of person, I don't know if you are, but I am a hard-headed bitch. Like, I will try to do things my way, and I'll try to take shortcuts, and I'll try to think of new things, and then I'll end up messing it up. So take heed. Do not make the wig first. Go ahead and dunk your bundles individually and then make your wig, okay? My opinion, this bob is bomb. One, I've seen people do a lot of long hair. I haven't seen a bob yet, and I did not record myself cutting this bob, you guys, because well, she did a lot of work. She took a lot of finessing, and let me show you how much finessing she took. So this was 3 12-inch bundles and a closure. This is all the hair that I took the little razor and cut out of this bob to get her moving, because I didn't realize I should have just used 2 bundles in the closure and had, well, I don't like gaps in my wig, and so I like full hair. But then I realized when I was cutting the bob, full hair is not, like, it's not cute for a bob, so I had to thin it out a lot so that I didn't get like a choppy look and it wasn't looking like Willy Wonka-esque. You guys seen this hair on SZA, you've seen it on the Kardashians. Arnell just put up a video of her doing this coloring, and she did it so easily and flawlessly, but that is why she's Arnell and I am not. My channel is Fails and Finesses. That might be what I named it. This might be a series. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go, but I already got makeup on my white jacket, so now I gotta find something new to wear. But basically, that is it for this fail tutorial. Yeah, I like it. It's dope. Like, personally, I like it. I don't know if you guys like it. I didn't add any baby hairs, which you guys know is like my signature. Like, I always add baby hair to my wigs. I didn't add any today. This isn't a frontal, it's just a closure, so, you know, we got a little bit of tracks on the side, but that's okay because we're gonna keep that down. Yeah, that's just about it, you guys. I hope that you liked this video. I'm sorry I didn't show you like the ending part of me dying, but y'all know how that be. You know how that goes. If you did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications if you want to see more of my face. If you want to know about my weight loss journey, or you want to know my exercise and nutrition journey, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and commenting down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.